Traveling for vacation, your bag doesn't fit all your basic necessities like face wash, body wash and hand wash. Don't worry, here I come with the idea of a paper soap, easy to make that fits in everybody's pocket. Without any further delay, let's jump into the video. But before that, do subscribe to my channel to get updated on all my 100% natural home remedies. Subscription is absolutely free. You will need a baking sheet. It is also called as butter paper. These sheets are available at any stationery stores. I bought this for 5 rupees each. Pocket friendly, right? Take the butter paper, place it on a tray. Pour your face wash on it. With the help of a brush, spread it equally onto the paper. Do it for the back of the paper also, which means both the sides of the paper should be coated with face wash liquid. Now when you're done, hang your paper. Let it dry naturally. This will roughly take around 2 to 3 hours to dry. Similarly, do the same for body wash and hand wash. Coat the paper with body wash or hand wash and let them dry naturally. After 4 hours, take the paper, fold them and cut them equally. Secure with paper pins. Pink for face wash, purple for body wash and yellow for hand wash. This way I would know which one is for what. For washing face, take one piece of paper, wet it in water. Rub the paper in between your palms. You will get the foam. Apply the foam on your face and wash off. You will need 1 paper soap for washing face, 3 to 4 paper soaps for bathing and 1 paper soap for washing hands. So that's it. It is easy to make. It fits in your bag very easily. It even fits in your pocket. For washing hands, take 1 piece of hand wash paper soap. I am wetting my hands, rubbing the paper soap in between my palms. You can see the paper is transferring the soap to my palms. And then when you have got the foam on your palms, just rub it around your hands and wash it off. And that's it. You can clearly see just 1 sheet of paper soap is enough to wash both your hands. 1 butter paper makes 16 sheets of paper soap. It is ultimately travel friendly. Do subscribe to Beauty Made Easy for more such videos. Thanks for watching.